Out to sea, safely beneath the ocean's waves, sits mWave. Bombora's pioneering patented technology harnesses the abundant power of the oceans to generate megawatts of clean, renewable energy. A series of air-inflated flexible rubber cells, each 15 meters in length, are mounted to a concrete foundation structure arranged to optimize energy capture. As waves pass overhead, the underwater pressure increases. mWave's rubber membranes are compressed sequentially, forcing air inside the cells into a central duct. Valves deliver a one-way airflow to the turbine, directly spinning a generator, converting this rotation into electricity. After passing through the turbine, the air is recycled to reinflate each membrane in a continuous sequence. The sustainable power generated by mWave is transferred to the electrical grid via a sub-sea cable. mWave's simple and modular design, with removable component parts, makes it efficient to operate and maintain. Its modularity makes it rapidly scalable and adaptable to both nearshore and offshore environments. Bombora, powering the blue economy with waves.